Hey, I'm back with Reece again and his fans that he acquired of our last Fanimation group trip.
This is not from Fanimation.
Where's this one from?
This one I've had this since 2014. This is actually one of my first ceiling fans.
Oh, you never tested this one?
No, I never got a chance to. This is one of 3.
This is the one Dan gave to you?
Yeah, sold to me. This is
yeah.
This is one of 3 of my very first fans.
Yeah.
It was this. Actually, it was 2, and then one I just got for free because he didn't want it.
Oh.
It was this and a National, which made by Firebird.
Yep.
Back to this one.
Okay.
CEC spinner from, let me check the top. I think 1984.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, these are childhood to me as well.
What's the light drawing?
Light is drawing 0.22 amps. It's just a 1 bulb. Okay, you can turn off the light and do low.
Oh, I'm gonna have to. The Paul chain finial. The finial's broken.
Yeah.
I've never tested this one. No.
Okay.
I just never got around to it.
Okay. And this one's a low current drawing fan too. This one's drawing 0.11 amps.
Where did you see these as a child?
Oh, Bayshore Mall. There was a store with these in white. I saw this one in white in a gift shop.
Apparently Dan's childhood one had a lower canopy.
Yeah, mine did not.
Did it look just like this? But
it was white.
Didn't you test a white one with?
Yes,
Did
actually.
you have one of these?
No, I sold it to Brian.
You had one of these?
Yep.
Why didn't you keep it? Wasn't it a childhood fan?
Yeah, but also.
You just didn't want it.
Yeah.
Weird.
It was not bad, but you know. It was
But
one that I eyed out and saw.
it's just not something you really want. It wasn't something like, I need this. It was just.
Right.
It's just like, oh, cool.
Exactly.
Just kind of like, oh, cool, childhood fan.
Yeah, it's not like blender fans or gold lines.
What's it drawing?
Okay, let's bring it to medium.
It's kind of hard to do.
Yeah.
Broken.
And it's drawing 0.25 amps. Let's see, power factor of 1.
Let me see how it runs with the light. I always wonder how fans run with the light included. What is it? What is it now?
It's drawing 0.47 amps.
I would keep it there. I would keep it there so you can see it. Now, watch it drop. Did it drop dramatically?
Yes.
All right, now high.
Yeah, too high.
High speed, boys. I've never tested this before, and I. What's that bearing noise? That wire's awfully close.
I know, I should probably staple it. I can do that.
It's a bit of a wobble.
Slight wobble. It's
Did we tighten the down rod before we?
Yeah, I did.
You put in the set screw and made sure. Because you know how these have a threaded ball.
Yeah.
Did you make sure the threads were tight?
Yeah.
You tightened as much as possible.
Yeah.
Good. Now this thing. Now when I put it in reverse, it will not fall or anything.
Yeah.
It shouldn't, anyways. Mine that union right there.
I know.
I want it.
All right. Let's see what's it drawing.
Wow! It spun like 360.
What did?
The switch. Where's the pull chain? It was just right here.
Oh, hold on. Let me get up there and
turn it off. Turn it off.
All right, I'll take the camera. Take the camera. I'll get up there.
I don't know what is going on. Did you see that though?
Yeah, I was like, holy.
Is it not in the ball?
No.
What's happening?
I think switch
Is the switch housing loose?
was.
Check it now. Like tilt, like twist. Is it resting in the notch in the ball?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it's the threads. Did you make sure the threads are tight?
Oh yeah.
Feels tight.
Yeah. That's all right.
It's twisted. You're turning the entire fan. You're twisting the wires, aren't you?
Huh.
Is it not staying in? Now is it seated?
Yep.
It just wasn't seated, was it?
Yeah.
So it was no big deal.
Yeah.
I'm just concerned that the wires got twisted.
Oh no.
Put it in reverse.
Okay.
Actually, you take the camera. I'll do it.
Okay.
Actually, no. I'll do it. How about the letter?
All right.
Note, the light kit seen on it is not original.
No, we just put it on there.
It was missing the switch cap. I kind of want to keep the light kit. It looks good with this.
Yeah. And medium low.
Alright, turn it on. This is set to reverse low.
Yep.
Low.
Same current draw.
Set to low.
Yep.
Low. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check and see. Someone's paying me. Don't know who.
All right. Do medium.
Hey, it's my job. It's my job.
Okay.
Hey, don't be stealing my job. Those are the fans we're going to be testing next,
Yes, that one.
and show the viewers.
Okay, what we have coming up,
Just don't tell them what they are. Just be like, those.
we got these few fans here.
And then that's the one we just tested.
We just tested that one prior.
Like literally. We literally just tested down 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
No time has passed.
Nope.
What's it at?
It is at 0.25. So ready to do high? Ready?
Oh god, this thing is powerful.
Yeah, it is.
Oh god, and it's wobbly. Yeah, this.
It wobbles more in reverse.
Why?
Sometimes they do that just the way they balance.
The blade arms are.
Yeah, 0.42 amps is what it draws.
Blade arms might be a little bent.
Power factor of 1. All right. Well, put it back to forward.
I'm gonna turn it off. Hit the off.
Yeah, now, because we can do decade box next.
Keep it on high though.
Yeah, keep it on high.
Oh, we're supposed to. Did we already get the spin down?
No, we didn't do spin down.
Is this our spin down now?
Yeah.
Is that an island fans down there?
Yes, there's an island fan.
What's the thing next to the HR? What's the thing between the HRS and the union? The pointed motor union?
Point.
Thing with the chipping page?
Thing with a chipping page.
No, on the top shelf. Next between the HRS and the union.
Oh, that's that TMT?
Oh, that's the contact.
Yeah. Yeah, that TMT there.
Where's the bronze line?
Oh, right over here.
See it.
Yeah. Dude, that thing runs pretty impressive for being a bronze line. It's quite impressive. The blades look like a modern gold line, but they're steel.
And the motor looks like a silver line. Or the motor looks like a Canon.
Yeah, actually kind of a cross of that and a Contec. I almost thought it was a Contec at first.
It's an abomination is what it is.
Yeah, but it runs pretty good. You'd be amazed at what it does.
It seems you set your residential fans and industrial fans on separate shelves.
Yeah, I do that.
Is this never mind. Are you separating them? Come on. The vents in this are actually. It's not felt, is it?
It's solid.
Actually, it's solid, yeah.
It's like a Newtone Veranda Deluxe is.
Yeah, but on some of them they're open.
I know.
Like on that one behind you. The CEC.
Oh, that Toastmaster thing.
Same OEM, I believe. The other
Probably, yeah.
Alright, back to the fan before it stops. Let me guess, it's gonna stop real soon.
Well, it's got good bearings.
Did it stop?
Nope.
I'm gonna take a guess of when it stops. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna look at the fans on your
You
shelf.
can look here.
Nope, I'm not looking. Where's your Lancelot?
My Lancelot.
Kind of-
Oh, it's in there. It's down in there somewhere.
Oh, it stopped. Oh, it's almost stopped. Good thing you got it back in time.
Yep.
Let's see, it doesn't reach my hand. Stupid window fit. There we go, it stopped.
Okay.
Now,
Decade box. What are they?
did you turn it off from there?
Yes, it's already
Is
off.
that a little box fan right there?
Yeah, I'm restoring it.
You are for who, Aiden?
Yeah.
Alright.
Got it from Dan.
And I'll do one.
Yeah, start with 1,
Gear ramps.
2.
0.4 amps.
Oh, and it starts. It starts on 2.
Let's see if it stalls.
Oh, that ain't gonna stall. That ain't gonna stall.
That is useless.
It's aesthetic low. It's what we call
Have
an.
you ever done the decade box with a fan when it's on the roll?
Sometimes I'll do that with 2-speed Hunter Originals if I had to add a 3rd speed, or I'll do it with a blender fan if I want to make that a 3-speed.
They're not 3-speed.
Yeah, they're.
Did blender fans that were 3-speed?
No, ones that with the switch housing 4-blade were only 2-speed.
What about ones with switch housings?
That is what I'm talking about. Switch housings had 2-speed. And that's only on 2, and that's not going to stall. So go to 3. Let's see what's it drawing. 0.08. Yeah, this is a very low current drawing fan. You know.
Point 12.
Yep, 0.12. Yeah, and it's already going pretty good.
This
You're
is
at,
like 12 mic. So
that's 3 microfarads because nothing else is on, not the 10 or 20. So go up to 4. Go up to 4.
Where'd you buy this?
eBay.
There's still some left.
Yeah, I've seen one. I know Jeff said he found one.
Do I have to use these for decade boxes?
You could, or Dan has another schematic where you can like make it more like a bunch of these switches.
0.16.
Okay, yep. And it's on 4. So you could.
Is 1.19. Could this be on a 5, 10, 15?
Yeah, we'll see if when it gets up to 15.
Or 10.
Yeah, if it does not go over. As long as it doesn't go over.
What are these usually rated for? What was it rated for on high?
It's like 0.42.
What are these usually rated for?
I'm not really sure. I mean, I just go by.
I don't know.
I usually go by what it's drawing on high and go with that. And let's go to 6.
Getting thirsty.
I know I was meant to stop.
Oh, we did it.
I know we didn't.
Liar.
I'm sorry, we just.
You sit on a throne of lies. You sit on a throne of lies, I do.
0.22, go to 7.
0.25.
0.25. Okay, 8. So this,
0.26.
yep, this would be like medium low. And then 9, go to 9. Okay, let's. Yep, 0.29 and do 10.
Alright.
Do 10.
Is this like medium?
Yeah, this is around medium.
So I could use this on a 5, 10, 15 control.
Or 5, 8, 13, which is that one there.
Would that be a 4-speed control?
Yes. Because high is just straight power, like a light switch. High would just be like this light switch. Nothing, no resistance of anything, just straight on. That's... Like if I were to hook this light switch up to like the gold line, it would only go on high.
What are those 3-speed controls usually rated for? Like the one I got from you, I can't remember.
Oh, like just over an amp. Because they're meant to only run one fan.
What are they? Number, what number, what? You said it was blank, and what number?
Oh, capacitance for the first 2 lower speeds are 5 and 8.
So then high is 13.
No, high would just be open straight power, so it's like...
High.
Yeah, high would just be like this light switch then. It's just running straight power
Alright, you want
through
to
it.
go back to...
Yeah, go back to 2 and turn on the 10.
Should we go to 11?
Yeah, you can go to 11, yeah. Want to go to 11?
Is it...
That's 12. Go to 1, plus 10.
I'll put on 32.
Okay. So we could actually use this. I have a control that's 4, 7, 11. I use that on my Ascension.
How interesting. 4, 7, 11. Those
Yeah.
are really close speeds.
Actually, no, they're not. 4 is pretty low. And then 7 is...
Only 3 microfarads away.
Yeah, and it's quite a difference on some fans. Yeah, because you want to get it to where it's just medium low.
Here, I just have a question.
What?
What's that red thing?
That is a Fanimation Escalade.
Haven't seen that before.
Oh no, that came out of the scrap bin.
You just had to have it.
Yeah, it was me and Aaron.
Of course course, YouTube.
Aaron and Chandru, you know.
Aaron and Chandru.
12.
Up there's the train.
Yep.
0.33.
Go to 12.
Alright, 12 is 0.34.
Yep.
Very close range.
Yep. And then
13 is
13.
0.35.
Okay. 14.
0.36.
15. 0.27.
Not a lot of difference. Is it going up inch by inch?
Yeah, go to 16. Go up one more.
It only goes to 0.38, 0.3. It didn't change.
Go to 7. Go to 17. Yeah, when it gets up to a certain capacitance, it slows down. 18. And just go to 20. Just go to 20. Don't be afraid. Yeah, just do that.
We're not even over 1.
Okay.
Oh god, it's getting wobbly.
Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hit the high switch to see where it was at.
Hopefully the globe doesn't come loose.
No, Okay, so 0.42 is what it goes at. So you're close. So we're already close at 20, and what that means is we're safe on any wall
Do I
controllers.
turn this off and flip to 20?
Yes, because they're gonna go back to 2. Just flip them.
Oh, let me turn
Yeah.
it down. Okay, we're doing 0.4. We're doing 40.
Okay. Go up one more since you're really, really close.
What for? For the high.
Yeah.
What's it rated for?
Was 0.42. Let me just see if we go to 25. 28. It's not really. Once to get up to a high capacitance, it really doesn't keep drawing more current.
Go one more.
I'm at 30, and it's still under 0.42.
Let's go 30 plus.
Sure, you can just go 31. Hit the 10 again.
Oh, is it gonna go over?
We'll see. 32. 33. Yeah, it's really barely drawing current. Maybe go 2 up. It's really not drawing any more current. It's like it levels off. Sometimes some fans do that. They level off.
I'm just gonna wait until we get to.
Max it out. Just max it out and see if it does anything. Just max it out. Max it out.
I don't want to burn out the. Oh, we're at 0.42. That's,
You're right on the money. See, you basically have no resonant frequency with this thing. It's like you're safe. This thing is pretty safe. You're right at the money.
Oh, it's at. Oh, now it's back to 0.4. It's flopping between.
Yeah, it's.
For a second, it went to 0.43.
Well, that's an inrush.
It was already at. It's flat. It's going between 0.4. Is it flopping?
No, it's leveled out. It's leveled out.
Oh, back to 0.41.
See, yeah,
Back to 0.42.
yeah, it's leveled out. There's.
Now we turn.
You
it
have.
off.
You don't.
Now we go to straight high.
We already did. I tested that. I just used that to reference to make sure. And
No
it's.
difference.
Yeah, you're right there. You're safe.
Turn it off now.
Yeah, just turn it all off so we can do solid state. I'm gonna stop it by hand. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta flip it since cat means all of this. Flip it to solid state so that it routes the circuit through the control there. Just keep inch it up till it starts.
Oh, I'm trying to see when it starts.
Good.
Do you think it's starting?
Yeah.
0.17.
Just go up a little.
This put it to there.
I'm gonna just wanna quickly turn off for a second. Shh.
We never got to test it high.
We can do that when we do 0 to high.
Do you think it's fuzzy?
No, that's like
Might even be part of the light.
could be, but otherwise that motor that
Do lights get affected by solid state?
no.
Like, what if it's wired? What if it has an integrated light? Like
No.
Like there's I have an Emperor, an SMC Emperor that doesn't have a light chain.
Yeah.
I think it goes on and off with the fan. Do you think it would get affected by that? Do you think the light would dim with it?
Probably.
Or a spinner without a switch housing with an integrated light.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go here.
But yeah, that's like really quiet. That's not like an annoying buzz or hum.
Like there, go to there.
Yeah.
Am I going the right way?
Yeah. I mean, I call this at least living room quiet.
Now I'm gonna go to the switch.
Yeah, it's called living room quiet, which means it's quiet enough.
Oh, we're at 0.41 already.
Yep, just bring it to high. Just bring it to high. You practically were there at high. And
now I'm gonna test everyone once it gets up to speed.
that is pretty
I think
much,
I know the reason it uses 0.43 to get up to.
it's
Then
yeah.
then do I flip it to high?
No, we're gonna do 0 to high. We don't need to.
Do you think this is basically high?
Yeah, that is high.
Turn it back off.
Yeah, turn it back off. Okay, we go back off, and I'm gonna flip it to cap, and we're gonna do a 0 to high to watch the inrush.
Imagine if you did low plus low. You know what that is?
What's that? No.
Having the pull chain and the control on low.
You can hit a resonant frequency that way.
How?
Because compared to if we run capacitance in series,
I've seen people do low plus low.
yeah, some fans aren't that bad. Some will stall.
And wreck your fan.
It can if
Okay,
you
let's
hit a
do 0 to
resonant.
high, boy.
0 to high.
Point.
0.42.
It's pretty much there.
Yeah.
It doesn't. Hold on,
The-
let's just see if it
it-
goes to 0.43 because it might. It's not going to 0.43.
Nope. If you want to do an airflow test,
It's probably on par with the. Is that 48 inches or 52 inch?
that looks 48.
We'll measure it.
Yeah, it's going to be on with what I call residential spinner category.
Well, of course it is. It's a residential spinner.
Yeah, there's residential spinner. Then there's
Do I get down on my knees?
yeah. Usually it's best to get it at the amp speaker there. Yeah, get low.
Is this a handle?
Yes.
I can barely feel it.
Yeah, that's what I call residential spinner. I mean,
I'm disappointed by these.
well, it's more for small room anyways. I mean, under it, it's a good breeze under it,
Okay, I'm gonna go like here for a second.
but it's not quite the strongest airflow
Maybe we
distance.
should, at some point bench test the SMC.
Yeah, we will.
Alright. Apparently, you can take the switch housing off this and put an infrared remote switch housing in it. That's why the switch housing is detachable. Why are we talking about this? We're talking about this. Would this have been? Is this a Commander?
Probably.
This was labeled as the Malibu.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
If
But-
they even no, don't stop. I'm gonna
Yeah.
go right under it.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You want to go right under it? Yes.
I think this fan would belong in like a laundromat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even
It's.
with that glow too.
Oh, yeah.
You ever seen these in a laundromat?
Well, sure.
These are common in laundromats. Actually.
Yeah, I remember these a lot.
I've also seen these in like movies and stuff like.
Oh, yeah.
Like 80s houses.
Oh, yeah.
I've seen the Commander ads. I like their name for their. Have you ever seen those Commander fan, the standard ones that aren't spinner,
Yeah.
like the GE events or the?
Oh,
old
yeah,
ones?
I've
You know, so they have original canopies. And then
Yeah.
the Commander originals are a different story. The Commander, I think the originals were called the Hermosa.
Oh, yeah.
Original copy. They used a similar system in oil bath.
Yeah.
I wonder if they were made by the same one who made the Moss original copy. Didn't Moss make the original copy?
I thought Evergo did.
Didn't Moss make one?
I don't think so.
You were there in a video for one of Dan's videos.
Oh, I remember being an Evergo.
It was antique brass. It had 2 speeds, and apparently it didn't come with blades. The blade on it.
Huh. I have to look at that.
I don't know, but yeah.
Okay, but
All
that's
right.
all we have for this CEC spinner, vented
Thank
spinner.
you for watching. We will make more videos later.
Yep. Bye.